Teodoro Sapilio Jr., to Curriculum Implementation Division Chief of AP Division, Nat Grace G. Villanueva, to Education Program Supervisor, Sir Jerry P. Ranes, to our very own Public Schools District Supervisor, Dr. Melky Grace Sanchez, with Mount Edna Cartalia, our Central School Principal, Sir Jerome Larnegad, School Head of Wellington District, part of the technical working group of this training workshop, school heads, learning facilitators, coordinators, teacher coaches, and other participants who are in attendance today. Once again, good morning! It's going to be a great day ahead. Lady Division's dedication and efforts enhancing and uplifting the competence of teacher coaches in any competitions, just like this Tech Olympics, is truly remarkable. And for sure, everybody is grateful for the conduct of this training workshop. This is more than just preparing for the competitions, for the Festival of Talents, but also an avenue for a continued honing and equipping of our EPP, TLP, TPL teachers of the technical and vocational skills, which is crucial in shaping future reading learners. Thank you. The Lady Division family. Everybody say thank you. Yes. And to commence our today's activity, please stand with respect for the national anthem and prayer along with the athletic policy statement, the FFAC hymn, following to be played for audiovisual presentation.
Despite of the weather condition right now, let me say isang napakagandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Isang magandang palakpakan po. Parang hindi talaga maganda yung weather condition. Kasi
Commitment in shaping the path of Palawan District. A round of applause to Dr. Melky Grace A. Sanchez.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Annabelle.
Especially to our regional supervisor, Dr. Fernandez, and we have Dr. Melky Sanchez, the
Commands that you can use when you are operating Microsoft Word. Of course, now that I'm saying, undo, redo.
So hello guys, igo lang gid ni naka paniod to, ngari lang ni maniod to, ngari lang ni og maniod to sa Palo National High School. And then i-suspend din ang among seminar, among training. Ang ako nga category kay invitation card. So see you on October 10.
Day 2.
Masarap ka na, masarap na sir. Iningaran mo na ito ni mama. Lagi na kayo dina-identify yan. Ay, evacuate muna kita ang open area. Kapag kita open area.
Hala, kakusog, hala.
Ay, evacuate muna kita ang open area. Kapag kita open area.
Hala, kakusog, hala.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Rani and Peruda from Capoocan 2 District, particularly from Talairan Elementary School, one of the coastal areas of Capoocan, far-flung via last mile school, last na barangay Capoocan. So I've traveled from Capoocan pa po. And this is my work. I've chosen mga cool colors such as pink because I want to represent teachers as someone or as persons nga may danira, how do I say this? Caring side, gentle side of the teachers. I want to represent the gentler side of the teachers in the colors na akong gipili sa background, and with the flowers and leaves because it symbolizes the nurturing ability of the teachers, that we are able to nurture the children and grow. So asya then with the techniques na akong gigamit, I had just used ang kanina nga pinantich haaton, just like ang pag-soft, ang pag-smoothen hand points. Ang kanina gipakita na example was star, tas gin-smoothen ko hiya to create a flower. And then nag-apply gihapon ako hand gradient to color hand mga flowers nila. As well as with the leaves, ginkuan ko hiya gihapon dito ang diamond. Ako niya gihapon gin-soften or gin-smoothen ang iya points to create the illusion han mga leaves. And with the circles, itong busag nga dabot nga nagamit ko ito nga dahan combine para mawaraan color nga dahabot nga. And then with the overlapping na mga circles, nag-insert shape na po ako, gitanggal ko ang iya fill, and then ang iya color, ang iya outline, gin-change ko na into yellow. And that's how that actually, nag-inisip ako kanina nga, card lahat niya. Nangalimutan ko may invitation card niya niya na ano. So, kaya niya postura bagalayan card kasi I took an inspiration from the card nga nakita ko nga to online. Tapos invitation card nga na loka ako may dupangin mga ibang igubutang. Anyways, this is my work po. Thank you.
Congrats!
Good afternoon, everyone. Wala ko may explain. Ang mga kualini. Okay, so I just used the flowers kay paghatag ng appreciation ng teachers. Pero actually, tinuod na ito. Ano na sumakunta ko na una, amo na itang ilimbutan para ko lang mamay ka mga yan. I used the colors, orange. Ano po ba may green ako. Diri ganiya as in tapos, inkalasa nila ako ngadto. So waray ko lang mga dugang na nga iba, kundi ang flowers lang, as in paghatag ng appreciation ng teachers. That's all, sir.
I am not one. Ang nalanak na kayo because we have limited time. So I think understandable naman po why there are flowers because the celebration is about Teachers Day. And ako na lang nagamit niya dahil is and board.
Sherry Casina.
Pwede po kita mag-picture at actually say if you want.